Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Alex's quinceañera outfit from Wizards of Waverly Place. So to do that, I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. For the hair, I use this hair in this brown, and then I use these bangs in the same brown in only bangs. Position the Y at 0.49 and scale it to 0.53. Use this crown from VIP and color it this color in glitter. Position the Y at 0.54. Then I selected this veil from the VIP section, colored it this color FF9CA4 in glitter, and then I just colored the bow brown. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. For this one, you do need the trendsetter dress. We are going to use that again. Here, where is it? And no ruffles. Color it a lighter pink first, FF9CA5, and then like a darker pink. I am going to make it slightly darker, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it the same. Then I'm just going to select this top from the World Culture State, this one, in the third toggle in the lighter color. And that is pretty much it, really. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!